Today is our tubing extravaganza. Oh no! Well, tomorrow, my parents are here, so. Now I have to get gloves because we're going out in the snow and that's just not good. Well, we got an awesome car. And now we go tubing. Oh wait, no, that means it's recording. I don't know what I did. I think I got recording now, Reese. It's one of those things you just gotta experiment with, you know? Oh, you want hot chocolate?
No.
Hot chocolate?
No.
You want hot chocolate?
Yes, please.
Yeah, 2 hot chocolates.
You got it. $5. You want it ready?
What else do they have?
Red Bull. Want some Red Bull, Dex? Alright, thought I was in video mode, but instead I was in picture mode, so I got a picture of us going down the ski thing. But now my hands are freezing, so we're getting snacks. Hey man, what's up? It's so cold. Look at how clean this Reese's peanut butter cup is. Wow, that's some kind of beautiful right there. I can't feel my hand at all. Hey, is it blinking now?
Yeah.
Cool. What in the world? Flashing? Flashing? Oh no!
I was honestly looking at her. I didn't even see you guys. I was trying to grab. Come on, we're down, Jax.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm here to help. Dax, how was it? Good. Thank you. All right, now we're going to the Supreme store.
Make a left on the right side of the street. You can't miss this. A bunch of people.
Oh. Get lines around 2 blocks. Come back tomorrow.
We start the line at 10:30. The store opens at 11.
Okay.
I tell people try to get here at 10 o'clock. Because if you're one of the first 30 people, your wait will probably be 15 minutes before you're in the store. Because we take 20 at a time. So if you could be within that first 20 to 30 people, You're gonna go right past all of this and go right in the store.
Right. Thanks, man. I
You have a good day.
appreciate it. Yeah, you too. Let's head back this way, guys.
That's a lot of shirts.
Yeah. I mean, the website usually sells like one t-shirt a week.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, shit. This is a real one. How did you make that, bro?
Don't you play that?
Not holding on to size hat, so it's the last one.
All right, cool.